Hi, my name is Thomas Fasold and I'm Editor-in-Chief of Drupa Report Daily. And I'm sitting here with Claus Bolza-Schünemann, CEO of KBA in Würzburg. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
You have been heading KBA for half a year. Where do you want to take the company?
Well, I'm with the company since about 25 years now and almost an old iron of the printing industry. But as a hard and software engineer, I think this helps. Since November, I'm the president and CEO of KBA, and our goal is certainly to enhance our business, stay the most innovative printing press manufacturer, as we have been this since not only a decade, since 200 years almost. So this is our approach, and drupa this year, I think, shows this extremely well.
With RotaJet, KBA is showing for the first time an inkjet system that prints on the web. What are your expectations, how this business will develop?
Well, the digital business is, from our point of view, very interesting. It is still fairly small. It's about 10% of our printing today on paper is digital, but we do see opportunities. The RotaJet not as a substitute of our existing conventional offset products. It's mainly for new markets, for new customers. We would like to approach, if it's book printers, if it's transprobo printing, flexible, maybe small packaging, but it's a start. And drupa 2012, this was a big challenge. We started 14 months ago with this project, and not me only personally, our whole team is extremely proud that we show this product on drupa in Düsseldorf, and we even pass the print samples around and don't hide them.
And let's talk about offset. Which are the highlights on the KBA stand?
To be very honest, I do not know where to start. It's certainly the Rapida 76, our latest model, half format, fully automated, the 105, the 106, with two varnishing units for front and back, not UV, I hope it's the right expression, dispersion, varnishing, very interesting. Running 18,000 as a perfecting and 20,000 in straightforward mode. And then certainly my personal love, if I may say so, the 145, the large format sheet fed, highly automated, I think one of the highlights of the show.
Okay. The economic situation in the printing industry has been tense for years. Does this year's drupa come at a good or at a bad time?
I think at a perfect timing. We had a phenomenal drupa 2008. The outcome later in 2008 was not the best. The whole printing industry had very difficult years in 2009, 2010, and also partly in 2011. We managed this quite well. Business is 40% less than it used to be, but I think drupa 2012 is a really good start. It's a platform for all customers and interested visitors around the world who are here in Düsseldorf to see, to witness what printing is able to do, not only on paper, on plastic, on metal, on anything.
You had a few years of experience going to drupa. How many drupas have you been on, and when was the first time?
Well, the first time I remember extremely well was 1962, because my sister was born during drupa. And my dear father didn't have time to go home. In my professional career, this is drupa number 7 that I can enjoy, and I hopefully will enjoy drupa 2016. Whoever knows.
Okay, and which one was the most significant drupa?
The next one.
Why?
Because we are always looking for drupa as a highlight, as a goal. And we started already very small internal discussions. What are we going to do for drupa 2016? And I think this is the thrill and the challenge, if I may say so.
Okay. And back to drupa 2012, which are the most important trends visitors can see on drupa?
I think, first of all, as I mentioned before, the broad range of printing, no matter on what substrates, pre-press, a lot of digital, many new applications to enhance printed products, no matter if it's packaging, if it's book, if it's newsprint, commercial. I think for the customers, most important to position themselves in their own business. And what I like the most this year's drupa 2012, all visitors we had so far are all professionals. It's unbelievable. I cannot tell the crowd if it is as good as 2008, but our perspective is rather quality than quantity.
Well, it's great spending time with you. Thank you very much.
It was more than a pleasure. Thank you very much.